Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and I hope this lockdown is not making you guys insane. So before you guys go in, subscribe to my channel and also like this video because that will make me very happy. In today's video, we're gonna swatch out some oil pastels that I have here since a very long time, just to get like a view of how these colors can turn out. And because I am not in my studio these days, I'm just gonna make do with all the limited stuff that I have here. The oil pastels that I have here are by Colorama, and a few of these colors are actually missing and broken, but what can you do? I actually don't have like a lot of experience working with oil pastels, so let's just give this a go, okay? So using these, I think the main key to working with oil pastels is to keep an even pressure to get this like smooth finish of the color. And I really like how these are turning out. They're so vibrant. You guys can see that actually. Here I'm just gonna write down the names of the colors just so I know like what shade this is, but this gives me like a better view of the colors that I have with me. And because they smudge off very easily, I'm just gonna put this piece of paper in between so I don't spoil my sketchbook. So it's a really beautiful day today, but it just keeps getting hotter and hotter like every day. So the next oil pastel set I have here is by Faber-Castell. Swatching these colors is such a fun activity to do, just like sitting here in a chill mood, struggling to get these colors out. It's just what you need. So this set of colors is mostly similar to the previous one, but there are actually a few different shades in this set. And I really like these colors, like how fun they are to use, and just like sitting here sipping my coffee makes me happy. Also, it heeds my inner OCD to put stuff in rainbow order. Like I literally put like everything in a specific order of colors. I don't know why. And in this, I am just writing the names of the shades here and also like messing up a little, but who gives a damn. And with that, I just like finish up all the stuff and the corrections too. I think this looks very pretty and you can see the colors clearly now than on the crayon itself. So that is it for this video. So thanks guys for watching this video, and also give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Stay safe and bye bye.